Adding your resume. Now we're going to discuss resumes in your PortfolioVillage web portfolio. There are several different ways to put your resume into the web portfolio. As we see in this example, what the person did was they just simply copied the text from a Word document and then they pasted it into a body copy object on the page. And they broke the resume down between education, objectives, highlights, references. So ultimately, the portfolio is a working resume, which is a very nice approach. So this is one way that we can add a resume, simply taking text, highlighting it, copying it, pasting it. We can break it out to links. You could even make this interactive by adding links inside the body of the resume. Here's another example, actually a couple of examples of how to use your resume. What this person did was they put the resume here as a thumbnail, and now when you click on it, the resume pops up and can be moved around. And this is very easy to do simply by making a pop-up gallery, and basically you're only having one box to pop up. So this resume is here, and then we can close it. The student also, or the person also, added a download resume where now if we click this, the PDF file is here, and that can be opened or saved on the fly. So if we open this up quickly, you'll see that the resume opens up in Acrobat, and we can also save the resume. So this is valuable for sending out your resume online to hiring managers, to graduate committees, and to other people who need to look at your resume online. Now I'm going to show you how to add your resume using the site maker. The first way was the copy and paste mode. So what I've done is I've added a page called resume, and there's already a body text box here. I'm simply going to stretch this out, and now I'm going to go to the file manager, and I've got a resume file that's a .doc. If I click use this, it comes up as a button. So you'll notice that if I click on it, now it's a button that I can just go in and change the text of the button, and it will download or open a Word document. So this is one way. We've got the resume as a Word document. As well, if I wanted to copy and paste, I can go in and do it right from the file manager. If I go to upload files and I go to add files, now I can get into my files, and if you're using a Windows computer or a Mac, you can certainly go into the file, and then we can right click and we can actually open that file right from this window. So I'm going to open the file in Word, and I'm going to copy just the first page. I'm going to close this document. I'm going to cancel this because I don't need this now. And now I'm going to go back in, and now I've pasted the resume. And I can go in and edit this and change the text and manipulate the font and the style. So if I wanted to bold this, for example, or make it larger, we can do that. So these are two ways: the pop-up button and then the text. And if we go to view the site, now you'll see the example. Here's the resume. And now if I click on the button, it's prompting me to open or save a Word document. If I go back to edit the site, now we can show you how to do the pop-up. The pop-up is actually a graphic. So I'm going to go out to the home page, and I have this image gallery here. I'm just going to change this text to resume, and I'm going to change this image gallery. I'm going to go to the setup, and instead of 5 columns, I'm going to do 1 by 1. And now in this pop-up, and I can change the style, and I can change other pieces of this. I can change the pop-up size, and now when I go to add an image, what I've done is I've actually created a file that is a graphic that is the resume. So let me just go to add files, go out to the desktop. Here are all my files. Here's my JPEG. And I want to upload that. And now, here's the JPEG. I'm going to use it, close it. I can change the size by simply dragging the image out. And now we can test this by going to View Site, save the changes, and now there's the resume. And that concludes this lesson on adding your resume.